Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matthew Cone, owner of Cone's Graphics, and today we have another brand new episode of programs and equipment for you guys today. And thank you guys for tuning in again as always, and I love being able to share this awesome information with you guys. Today we are going to talk about my go-to video editing program. I know in season 1 I told you guys about LumaFusion, which is my favorite. That is on my phone. I'm straight going to LumaFusion, but I originally learned how to use the program that we're going to talk about today with the Adobe suite. It's called Premiere Pro. I actually learned how to use Premiere Pro back in college at Art Institute of Cincinnati. That was actually one of the first video programs that I ever used to edit. That is a nationally recognized program that a lot of companies are familiar with working with as well. So no shade to Premiere Pro, but it is one of the premier programs that a lot of companies recognize in their marketing departments when they have conversations with video editors and videographers about what programs they are using. So if I was you and you were wanting to get into that lane, make sure you know Premiere Pro, because that is the go-to program that a lot of the marketing organizations love to hear from their prospects about what they're using, just because it's nationwide or whatever they decided that they want to keep track of as far as what's consistent. Amazing thing about Premiere Pro is that you are able to locate your files. It is a really fast program for video editing, especially if you're doing simple things. You can do a lot of integration with Premiere Pro as well. Main specific place that I use Premiere Pro is on my MacBook. Always editing with Premiere Pro on my MacBook. It's easy to pick up as long as you're consistently using that program. If you don't use it, you will forget how to do certain things. But again, the compatibility for Premiere Pro is really amazing. So shout out to the Adobe suite. Everybody uses it. It's a worldwide thing. So again, my name is Matthew Cone. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Programs and Equipment, when we went over Premiere Pro, none other than the Adobe's finest program that they have out there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. Peace.